Hello everyone, this is me Zuhay Wasan. You're watching me on my YouTube channel ZHS Diaries. Today I'm going to try chicken Manchurian. Let's try. Here is everything that we need for that recipe. First of all, you need to cut out the chicken into fine cubes. Here we go. These are some spices that you add in your recipe to make it more amazing. I'm adding everything that is required for me in calculated amount. So this is China salt and I'm going to mix it well. Yeah, that's very necessary. Cutting bell peppers into the fine cubes is fun. Have a try. Here we are making cubes of bell peppers. We need to make the cubes of everything that we're going to use in this recipe. That include bell peppers, onion. I'm not using tomatoes. Yeah, that's going well. After making the cubes, I have to do something else, which also is making cube. So I'm going to cut it into the cubic form. I'm going to speed up the video to make it reliable for watching. This is almost done. So after cutting bell peppers, I'm going to cut carrots in star shape. Here we go. So make the slices like this. Make ridges like I have done right now. After that, you have to cut this into the fine slices. Okay, not too much thin. After cutting carrots, now I'm just going to peel off onions. Yeah, it's leaves. Definitely these are the leaves of the onion. Okay, I'm just going to make the cubes of onion as well. So making cubes, and after that I am going to cut green pepper into the slice. Yeah, into the slice. Just peel off and remove the seeds. Yeah, 4 to 5 peppers are enough. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to add the chicken into the white flour, mixing it well. After mixing, you have to remove excess flour. Okay, it's time to fry the chicken. Okay, I'm going to add chicken. Okay, fry on medium flame. I'm adding the chicken. You can see. It's done. I can take it out. Yes, that's ready. Yes, it's time for the Manchurian sauce. Let's add ginger 1 tablespoon and stir. Add bell pepper and onion as well. You have to keep the flame high. I heard it from some Chinese food expert. Yeah, that's true. Okay, add carrots, China salt. I'm going to add black pepper 1 tablespoon, white pepper. Add chili sauce 1 cup, and after that soya sauce 1 cup. Stir it, make it thick, and green pepper, make it spicy. 2 tablespoons vinegar, 1 cup of ketchup. Here we go. And stir it. Cook for the 5 minutes on medium flame. Add fried chicken at end. Now look at the color, the texture and aroma. That's amazing. Okay, it's going to be ready within few minutes. Let's add the final ingredient. A 2 tablespoons of corn flour in half cup of water and mix. It's ready. Let's make the second thing, which is also most important. We're going to make egg fried rice, adding 2 eggs in 1 cup of oil. Okay, frying 2 eggs. Add boiled rice that I have boiled earlier and didn't show you in the video. I didn't show you boiling rice. I knew it. The one who is going to try this, he knows how to boil rice. That's right. Okay, mix it well, thoroughly and evenly, and everything should be okay. So you can see that I have added peas as well. So these were added in the rice when I was boiling them. It's ready. How I look. That is looking amazing. Let's make it within almost 3 hours, and making video and filming, everything was a little too much tiring. Okay guys, this is must try recipe. Try this. This is the buy for you. Just try this. Please watch and subscribe and do share. Thank you.